Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long at all today. Very simple onion rice. Very few ingredients, super easy, absolutely delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so very simple this. I've got some cooked rice there. I'm using a basmati rice. I've got 4 cups of cooked cold rice. Cold rice always works out a little bit better. 2 onions sliced, salt and pepper, tablespoon of cumin seeds, and tablespoon and a half maybe there of garlic. Some oil. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my wok here. You need a wok or a frying pan or something like that. We're going to pop that tablespoon of cumin seeds into some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Then we're going to go onion and garlic. Keep it on a high heat. Keep it moving, and I'll be back in about 4 minutes. Okay, that's 4 minutes. Now, I like my onions about there. We're going to do some more cooking, of course, with the rice. But if you want them crispier, cook for a little bit more. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each there, I suppose. And then cooked rice. And like I say, I'm using a nice basmati and cold. This was actually cooked yesterday, put it in the fridge. So overnight, works out really well. 5 minutes, keep it moving. Let's actually fry that rice. If we get a little bit of browning or blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. That's your rice frying there, beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. And we're done. If you wanted, you could add some fresh chili in there, some cilantro or coriander leaves, whatever you call that. But for me, beautiful. And there you go. Really simple. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.